In today's video, I am going to teach you to set up Session Indicator on Tradingview. Session visuals help you instantly see when major markets are active, which can make patterns, volatility, and overlaps much clearer at a glance. We'll keep this simple and make sure it's accurate for your location and the markets you care about. Start on your chart and click the Indicators button in the top toolbar. This opens the indicator library. In the search bar, type Sessions or Forex Sessions. You'll see a few options appear. The easiest choice is Trading Sessions, which is built-in and reliable. If you prefer a more stylized look or extra visual options, you can pick a popular community script like Sessions by Luxalgo. Either way, select the one you want and the session boxes will appear on your chart. Now let's make it fit your needs. Hover over the indicator's name on your chart and click the gear icon to open its settings. Here is where the real value is. First, confirm which sessions you want to see. Typically Asia, London, and New York. You can turn any of them on or off, so the chart only shows what's relevant to you. Next, set the time zone. This matters a lot for accuracy. Choose the time zone that matches how you plan and review trades, either your local time or the market time you follow, so the session boxes align with the actual open and close windows you expect. While you are here, pick colors that are easy to distinguish. Many traders use one color for Asia, another for London, and a third for New York, so overlaps stand out naturally. If the chart feels cluttered, adjust transparency to make the boxes lighter, letting price action stay front and center while still giving you context. If you want an even cleaner look, hide specific session boxes you don't use often. You can always bring them back later. Take a moment to glance across your chart. You should now see clearly shaded periods marking when each region is active. This is especially helpful for spotting recurring behaviors, like momentum during London Open or reversals around New York lunch, and for quickly identifying the London-New York overlap where volume often increases. That's it. By searching for sessions, choosing Trading Sessions or a trusted community version, and then using the gear icon to tailor sessions, colors, and time zones, you've set up a practical, clean view of market activity. Keep the transparency and visibility tuned to your preference, and you'll have a consistent, readable framework every time you open your charts.